Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video we are going to see how you can share your Instagram story with some particular person or to only one person. So without wasting any second, let's get started. First of all, you need to open Instagram app. Go to your profile section. Click on menu bar. Go to settings. Click on accounts. Go to close friends. From here you need to select your close friends, like I'm selecting this one, and click on done. In this way the person will get added to your close friend list. Now go to the story section. From here click on story, select something that you want to share. Suppose I want to share this. What I would do is click on close friends. Here it will get green. This means that the story is getting shared with that particular person or with that close friend. So in this way you can share any story to your particular person or to any number of person you want on Instagram. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.